In this video, I'll show you the best free VPN for Canadian servers and how you can use it to access Canadian websites and services safely. The VPN we'll be using for this tutorial is Proton VPN, which offers a reliable free plan that works across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. If you want a faster, more reliable, and secure experience while following along, NordVPN is a great option. You can find the link in the description to try it at a great price. To get started with a free VPN, open your web browser and go to protonvpn.com. On the homepage, choose the version that matches your device: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, or Android, and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once installed, launch the Proton VPN app. If you already have a Proton account, log in with your email and password. If not, click Create Account and follow the steps to sign up. Proton VPN offers both free and paid plans. For connecting to Canadian servers, the free plan is sufficient, providing secure access to several locations while keeping your connection encrypted. After logging in, you'll see a simple dashboard. On the left, there's a list of available countries. For the free plan, select a Canadian server, then press the Quick Connect button. Proton VPN will automatically connect you to the fastest available Canadian server. Once connected, a green status icon confirms your secure connection. With Proton VPN running, your IP address will appear as if you're browsing from Canada, giving you access to Canadian websites, streaming services, or apps that might otherwise be blocked in your region. Your connection is encrypted, ensuring your online activity remains private. To disconnect, simply press the Disconnect button. While Proton VPN's free plan works well, NordVPN offers a much faster and more feature-packed experience. With thousands of ultra-fast servers worldwide, including multiple Canadian servers, NordVPN lets you connect reliably with minimal lag. It uses the NordLynx protocol for maximum speed, includes threat protection to block malware and trackers, and has a strict no-logs policy for complete privacy. NordVPN also works across all major devices, ensuring secure access no matter what you're using. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.